Welcome to today's YouTube tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to perform HTTP queries with Peakboard and process JSON data. This allows you to connect Peakboard to any other interface. To do this, first open the script editor by double-clicking on a button. Under Publish to External Systems, you will find the HTTP section, where you will find two different blocks for executing HTTP queries. These differ only in whether you want to wait for a return or not. In the example, a value is read out and therefore waited for the return. In the block, you can select which HTTP method you want to use. You can also refer to an existing connection or specify the entire URL. There is also the option of defining headers. The return JSON is an unnamed array. Peakboard cannot work with this directly, which is why we use a trick and insert the array into a JSON object and give it a name. To do this, you must use the merge block under text. Now you can read out the value in the JSON area under Get Value from Path. In the example, the name of the first line is read out. In the event of an error is output. Finally, the output is written to the log. In the video description, you can find links to our template page, where you can download the project file and the corresponding article on our help page. Thank you for watching.